Welcome to Check Out the Rileys. Today I'm going to the park to play Zumba. Hopefully I'll make it even just for 15 minutes. Right. Okay everyone, check this out. In the Philippines, particularly in the south, exercise in the park, Zumba, it's free. The government pay for the instructor to do it every day, Monday to Saturday, and it starts at 5:30 in the morning. The guy with the wooden gun, we have this ROTC every morning too. I think they start at 5 o'clock. So anyway, here it is. That's my mom right there, my inspiration. The reason why I have to do this, I want to do this. It's the 7th song and I think I have to stop and try to video, pretend that I'm videoing. It's vlogging thing, vlogging time now. And look at them, they're still energetic. What can we do? This is my first time. So I had to walk around, look. So you can see there, that's ROTC. Nice view, right? Thank you for watching. Watch my next video. See if I survive my second day.